If you're as tired as I am of buying replacement ink for a printer that almost costs more than a printer, then I found the thing just for you. This portable inkless printer, okay? I've been looking high and low and I finally found it. Let's take a look inside. Alrighty. So, it comes with, this is the portable printer, and of course it's rechargeable. It has plugs for it. It also comes with paper, but it's this paper that's kind of curled up. So what I did is they have, and I'll put it below. What I did is I purchased some paper that is perforated, which lays flat, and I'll leave a link for that for you. One thing to note, you don't need ink, but you will need the special thermal paper, as it uses a thermal heat technology to print, but it's still a bonus to me. Now, the printer, it works with your cell phone, or it has a plug where you can plug it into your computer, desktop. So here is the power switch here. I'm going to press that for it to come on. And this is how you open it up. It's very simple. And what you do, you load the paper from the back end here. Slide it through. So it comes all the way to the edge there. We're going to close that up. You're going to load an app onto your phone if you're using your phone. And once you have it loaded, you're going to pick what you are going to print. I have, hold on, let me find what I'm going to print here. Let me select that. You're going to click connect for it to connect with your phone. It's blinking, and then I'm going to push that connect button, and it's going to give you a solid, and it says connected. Then I am going to choose which page I'm going to print, or you can print from a PDF, or you might have a different type of file. And once you do that, hold on, I have to pick what I'm going to print. I am just going to pick this one page. It allows you to pick different pages. So I'm just going to pick one page to print. Hold on, give me a minute. Alrighty. Make sure it's only one page. Very simple to use. Alright, so I picked this page to print. It does not do color. That's the only downside, but say you want to print something on the go, this is amazing. All right, I'm going to press. Now I chose, it gives you the option of which page number you want to print. Now I'm going to go ahead and touch that print in the corner. Alrighty, so then I'm going to click that print button there. And it is printing. This, to me, is amazing, folks. Like I said, I am so tired of buying ink. And the last printer I had needed several different colors of ink. I replaced one and it still didn't work. So you see it's finished now, and there is perforation there. You can simply pull it off, and there you have it. All right. I hope this solved your problem. It solved mine. Like I said, it's portable. You can use it and take it with you on the go. It'll hold a good charge. I am satisfied. Now, if this was satisfying for you as well, and you want to see more, go ahead and tap that subscribe button and that like button and share it with a friend. And I'll leave a link down in the description box just for you. for the printer and the paper. And I'll see you in my next video.